Hi guys, my name is Michelle and today I'm going to show you how to do Cutie Pie. This is kind of an advanced move, so if you're going to try it, make sure that you have a very flexible back. So I'm just going to go for it. So we're going to split the fabrics and we're going to climb up a little bit and we're going to crochet our legs to each fabric, because that is most of the move, is the crochet. So I'll start off with the monkey climb, and from here I'm going to hold on with both arms and crochet 2 times. Ooh. And then once you've got 2 crochets, you're kind of pretty steady in on the silk. But what you'll do is you'll split them so that you can get your upper body in between, and you'll kind of adjust so that this fabric part lays on your hips, and you're going to reach down and grab the tails. So from here you'll be grabbing on, and you don't really have to twist the fabrics around your wrists or anything. It's just been a while since I've done this. But from here you're going to use your arms and pull the tails, which therefore pulls your legs over and around. And you're going to basically, you're going to invert your legs over until they're in front of your head. So this, my friends, is a cutie pie. Woo. There we go. So once you let go, you can let the slack fall down to your knees. And to get out, it's very important that you don't just reach up. You actually have to reach behind your legs to grab the fabric and straighten your legs out so that you can pull yourself up. So now I'm back where I started in a double crochet, and you can bicycle your legs to get out. So that, my friends, is a cutie pie. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a good day.